Charmers, oh my god, I got my October box, so I just wanted to come here and show y'all how I do this glam look. So if you want to see how I did this glam look, all you gotta do is keep on watching, woo woo. Okay, Charmers, so first of all, I'm gonna start using my Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting BHA liquid exfoliant that has salicylic acid. I'm gonna just take a little bit of this and apply it on a napkin that I have right here. And with this, I'm gonna slightly dab it around my face so I can exfoliate and cleanse my skin at the same time. What I like the most about the salicylic acid in this exfoliant is that it's not that hard on your skin, so it really helps you exfoliate and cleanse your skin really easy without having to apply too much chemicals into your body. And this I do it just slightly on top of my T-zone area, which is the one that has most of the problem areas around my face. So I do it in between my brows to prepare my skin. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty, the paper, and which I like because I cleanse my skin in the morning and I hydrate it. And anyway, this helped me cleanse it after I did that. So just in the span of 2 or 3 hours, I still accumulated a little bit of dirt around my face and this took it all out. Okay, Charmers, and right after I'm gonna go ahead and use my Glassy Pretty Filter Skin Balm from Touch and Soul that y'all got in your box for this month. And as you can see, it comes in a beautiful, soft, creamy texture that you can just take a little bit with your finger and apply it all over your face. I really like this balm a lot because like any other primers that we have received from Touch and Soul, they really help your skin to maintain the foundation and whatever you apply on your eyes for a long period of time. And also, this one specifically has some properties that they help you increase the amount of shine in your skin. As you can see, as I'm applying it right now, my skin is gonna start looking shiny and glossy, which is what this does. So these kind of skincare products, I like to apply them and massage them like this into my skin, because if you think about it, getting ready for the day is basically like your ritual for you to have a moment for yourself of relaxation and also to be prepared for the day. So if you think about it, this is kind of like my own massage, so I can like calm my face and my skin and be ready. And bam, that's it. I did this quick eye look using my Baked Brown's Dose of Color palette, and if you want to see how I do this, get in a little bit closer. Let's do this. First, with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna take this shade right here that it's called Cherry Wood. This is like a deep brown color, and this I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelids, starting from the middle and elongating it all the way out to where my brow ends. These colors are really pigmented, so I like to first apply them just with like soft motions, and then to blend them with the same brush, I just go in circular motions around the areas where I apply them. And as you can see, it helps me create that gradient effect that I like. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that brown and just connect it with the outer part of my eye. And just to help myself a little bit with the blending, I'm gonna take a little bit of this beautiful brown shade that it's a tiny bit more lighter, and it's called Outdoorsy, and this I'm gonna use it just in the outer part to blend a little bit more. And now we just blend up. Now using a smaller blending brush, I'm gonna take the shade Deserted, which is this second shade that we have right here, and I'm just gonna use this to bring the eye look into the inner corner of my eye. So again, I'm just using it in blending motions, and this is gonna help me connect the two colors together and create a crease. And because this works as a really good crease color, I'm just gonna elongate this and use it all over my lid and all over my crease so I can blend it out. And as you can see, smoked it out, that previous color a little bit better. For the outer part of my eye, I really don't mind too much the shape that it's getting right now, because this is something that later on when I apply my concealer on my face, I'm gonna be able to clean it up and reshape the eye in the way that I want. Okay, now using this Dose of Color brush that came inside of the palette, I'm gonna use the fluffy side of it, as you can see is this one right here, to take a little bit of the shade Outdoorsy and a little bit of the shade Cherry Wood, which is these two right here. And these two are the ones that are gonna blend and use under my eye. So with the same brush, I just go from the outer part of my eye and start blending it into the inner corner of my eye. Now that I have this eye look, I feel like I need to add a little bit more glitter or something to pop it out, like as you see here. So to add a little bit more shine, I'm gonna be using this iconic London loose glitter palette that we got at our Boxy pop-up. And I'm gonna be using the shade Never Too Gold. Like, hello, look at that. That's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit on top of my glitter primer. Wow, y'all, you see that? That's exactly the amount of glitter and shine that I needed on my eye. So now that I applied the glitter, as you can see, it's kind of messy right now because I just dab it and I apply it where I want it. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and add a little bit of Outdoorsy and Cherry Wood around the glitter area to blend it in with my eye look. And also gonna clean up that fallout because sis, nobody wants that down here. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, charmers, as you can see, I came back and I now have my lashes, my face, my glam, everything ready. The only thing I'm missing is my lips, so let's go ahead and do that. First, I'm gonna start lining them using this Jonte Blue lip liner pencil in the shade Hot Red 943. This color is gorgeous, but as you can see, it's very, very red. So I'm gonna show you a swatch of it in the back of my hand so you can see how it performs, and it's amazing. So because the color is very bright, I only want to apply it in the center of my lips to create an ombre effect. Let me show you how I do that. So I start with the top part of my top lip, and then I line only all the way to the half. And now the same action, you repeat it only in the middle of your lip, in the bottom lip. Now I'm gonna use a tiny brush just to blend out the lip liner. And the blending motions, I'm only gonna do it in the outer part where I finished the liner, elongating it all the way to where my lips finish. So you can see that it creates a more rounded version of my lips, but at the same time, it helps me blend and smoke out the color, so it's not that intense on my lips. So after it blends out, I want to finish this look using my iconic lip plumping gloss in the shade Nearly Nude. And this is going to be perfect to top that lip liner and to finish this look. So let's do this. Ooh, me encanta. I love it. I love this because as soon as you put it on, the first thing that you feel already is a tingling sensation from the active ingredients in the gloss that are gonna make your lips a little bit plumper. And I'm gonna add a second coat on the top lip. Okay, charmers, so that's it. This is the final look. As you can see, I did something super glam, but also wearable. Maybe if you don't put that much glitter, you can wear this to work or to school. But if you want to amp it up and go out with it, just add more glitter. That's what I always do. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click the thumbs up and don't forget to click down below to subscribe and also that notification bell because you want to know when we're posting videos all the time. Also, let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite product from this month and which one was your favorite product that I use on my face. And that's it, charmers. I'll see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye.